Hello. This quick video is going to show you how to access the Library Services Resources page. There are tons and tons and tons of things on there that we can use. So we're going to start at the top where it says Parents and Students. Well, I'm going to navigate to the gpisd.org resource website. And at the top it says Parents and Students. I'm going to click Parents and Students. If I was on an iPad, I would tap it 2 times. On a computer, I'm going to click it once. So now I'm going to scroll down, and under the L, I'm going to choose Library Resources. Now in the library resources on the left-hand side, I can separate between elementary library resources and secondary library resources. Most of these resources are the same, but there are some that are differences. So you want to choose if you're elementary or secondary. I'm going to choose elementary. And these are all the different resources that you have available to you as an elementary teacher. So, and students. Students can access these as well. So there is a Sora, there's an app for this, but this is also a website. Tumble Books in English and Spanish. Destiny Library Online. This is actually our library software. This will tell you what we have available in library. Tumble Math, that one's new. And some other ones that are good, this Britannica School Encyclopedia, the Britannica Image Quest, which has rights cleared images. Remember, we don't want to Google information. We want to come here to the library resources page and either download images through the Britannica Image Quest, or through, we want to get our information from a database such as Britannica School. We can also have the Culturegrams, the Pebble Go. That's very popular for pre-K to 2. World Book Web, Gale Online Resources. Teaching Books is how you can, these are resources for using books and different kinds of literature in your teaching. Learn 360 streaming videos. These are amazing videos that you can go to complement your teaching. And then the Maps 101. So I'm just going to kind of show you some of my favorites. This World Book Web, if you click there, we normally don't have this access to all of these resources, but we do for this distance learning time. But this early learning is for pre-K to 2. Kids might be 2nd and 3rd grade. Students would be 4th and 5th, maybe even 6th. Advanced would be like high secondary and high school. Timelines. This is creating timelines. The eBooks app. I've already done this with most of your classes, but this is where they can come to log in and get their eBooks. There's also an app in self-serve. Some of these I'm not familiar with because they were added. Dramatic Learning, these are plays. Encyclopedia, this is the Spanish version of World Book. Now they've added the Science Power and the Social Studies Power. These are 2 that they've added for this. So that's got some good resources. I'm going to close that. I'm also going to show you Learn 360 really quickly. If you're not logged in, you're going to log in using your Google username and password. So see how it says I'm currently signed into my district account. That tells me that I am logged in as me. But if not, you're going to sign in with Google. If I want to search as a teacher, I can browse standards. Like if I wanted to say I'm looking for 3rd grade science videos, I see here I've got Texas selected. I'm going to select 3rd grade, and I'm going to select science, and then view standards. And then from here, I would pick what TEK I wanted to choose to find videos on. And let me scroll down a little bit. Look, Force in Motion. So let's say I'm going to click on that 6 right there, and it'll give me all the videos that I have available to me for the 3.6 TEK. Oh, and it says there are none. Great. That's the first time I've come across that. Let me go back. Let's try 3rd grade science. View standards. Let's try another one. I think maybe I should have picked, like, let's do magnetism. There we go. So I can't just pick the 3.6. I have to actually drill it down to 3.6A, 3.6B, 3.6C. And that gives me the videos. These are shareable directly to your Google Classroom, which is nice. And that is Learn 360. We all know PebbleGrow. So those are some of the resources that we have available to us through the library resources page. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.